The Document History panel allows you to see the complete history of a published document starting from the time it was ingested. When you first open the panel, you see only tagging events. This view shows you which users added, removed, or updated tagging values. If you are unsure which type of action was taken with regard to a tagging event, click the question mark icon in the panel toolbar to see the color legend. Document history also includes system and administrative or non-tagging events. To see non-tagging events, click Filter in the panel toolbar and select Non-Tagging Events Only. System events include when a document was ingested and published. Administrative events include actions such as when a document was added to a workspace, printed, or produced. To view all events at once, select No Filter. Actions that took place simultaneously are grouped. For example, if a user coded 2 fields and then saved one time, you see the values of the 2 fields grouped together as one event. Each event is assigned an operation ID, and all entries of a bulk action share the same ID. You can use the search bar or the search query editor to search for specific history events using field-based search. To learn how to search document history, click the question mark icon in your Axcelerate version and access the Help Center. Select Axcelerate users. Document history search topics contain the search syntax and use case examples. Notice the Refresh button in the Document History panel. Click this button if you think changes were made to the history of a document since you first started viewing it. Depending on your user rights, you may also have access to the Download button. Click this button to download the entire history of a specific document in CSV format. If you are a case manager or a power user, you can also bulk download the full document history of up to 100 documents at a time. To bulk download, select the documents of interest in the results list. Open the Actions menu and select Download History. Confirm you wish to continue and a CSV file is downloaded to your local workstation. When you open the file and bulk expand the columns, you see each history event listed in a separate row in date order. Bulk user actions are also listed in separate rows, each with the same operation ID. Having the values listed separately allows you to filter the CSV file in any way you choose.